kindness towards stray animal, what does it mean? Let's keep this aside.
It means do not hurt stray dogs.
Do not hurt them.
Do not say go.
Shoo them away.
Shoo them away, and don't hit them.
Don't hit them. Does it mean that you're going to hug and touch every stray dog?
No.
No. Stray dogs sometimes can be dangerous. Don't touch your lips, both of you. Please keep the fingers down. Thank you so much. Because we don't know which dog is kind to human beings or which dog is angry at human beings.
But there are some people that they hit the dogs. Examples: shopkeeper and also mall securities. They hit.
Yeah, right. Loving stray dogs does not mean that every stray dog we are going to touch, we are going to hug.
Some stray dogs can be dangerous.
Yes.
Some stray dogs can bite.
Right. Bite. If you are not troubling them, they won't bite. But we have to be careful. We should touch only those dogs who we know very well.
Yes.
Who we
have to touch the stray dogs that we know. I know my Petli and I touch just sometimes.
And touching them also means that your hands may get dirty, right, Ayushman?
Yes.
So
but after petting, I wash my hands.
Absolutely.
I don't have dog.
You don't have dogs, okay.
Then you make a dog friend. Sometimes those stray dogs didn't come, but they came. Then I made some friends and some names. I called Petli, and I called these two twins, Max and Junior, and Peter. He is white and dark brown. But Petli, he is a mix of dark colors. Like a lion.
That's called brindle.
A brindle, yes.
Brindle shade. That's called a brindle shade. So, being kind to animals means you can give them some food.
Yes, I give them biscuits.
Very good. Not Parle-G.
I give them.
Only Marie.
Ooh.
Only
What
Marie.
happens if we give Parle-G?
Parle-G has a lot of sugar in it and the dogs get skin infection.
Oh no.
And it is very painful. It is very painful.
Oh no, I just gave them a lot.
Don't give it.
Okay, I'll tell my parents that don't give any Parle-G, only Marie.
Okay.